His Excellency President Tinubu, our father and leader, His Excellency the Vice President of Nigeria, Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON, His Excellency the leader, our leader, and also the IPAC president, for taking his time to invite all the members of the APC, the IPAC, and other different people from other sectors to be part of this fellowship and a meal with you, which means so much to us as a party and as a people. The diversity of the invitation in terms of bringing people from different political parties, diversity in terms of political parties, diversity in terms of religion, diversity in terms of tribe and culture, and bringing all of us together at this point when all of us were sharing common faith. The Muslims have this Ramadan as a holy month of sacrifice, prayers, and commitment to God. And the Christians see the Lent as a time of prayers and renewal and refreshing commitment to also the same God with all fellowship. It shows that both of us have a common faith in this country and a common faith and belief in this nation. Despite our political differences, maybe on TV, I see my brother and other political leaders that I hear, we only have differences in terms of political affiliations. But we have common faith in this country, that this country binds us together. And we also look forward to building a nation that will be skilled, will be prosperous, and that the future generation will have hope in what we're doing. Your Excellency, that's why our firm belief in you, in the Renew Hope agenda, which symbolizes exactly what this time and season meant to the nation. You've sacrificed for this nation. You committed your energy and time for this nation. Your Excellency, we're with you in this Renew Hope agenda of yours. You've taken bold steps, reform this country for the common prosperity of everybody. You've stabilized the economy. You built and put us in the path of prosperity and also the path of development. Your Excellency, we are grateful to God for giving you to us as a nation. We as a party will stand with you, and I'm sure other political parties will also stand with you to support you, so that the path you've taken us, which is the right path, we've seen the light at the end of the tunnel. We're seeing the figures are changing positively for the purpose and also for the common prosperity of all of us in this country. Your Excellency, this meal means so much to us as a people. This meal means so much to us. This meal is not just a fellowship. It's also a convergence of all our political prayers. Our prayers, we converge our prayers with you, that we pray that this country will witness progress, witness growth, and witness unity, and that the safety of life and property that we always pray for will also achieve it at this moment. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for this moment you've given us, and I pray that this nation will witness growth under you. Thank you, and God bless you.